If you have a little bit of time, you can elevate a store-bought meal into a homemade one. If you make this for a guest, they will never know that it is store-bought. Hi, I'm Sonali. Welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, I warmly welcome you. So today my mom bought some paratha and curry. Most of the days we eat this as it is, but today I thought of doing something different. I thought of naming it as Masala Parata, even though it doesn't contain any masala powder in it. This is very much similar to kottu roti, but it is not as dry as kottu roti. So first things first, I have 6 parathas and 2 curry bags. Now let's cut the parathas into small squares. So this is all the parathas I have got. It's enough to feed 3 or 4 people. In my home there's only 3 people. Also I have 2 curry bags in here. We'll use them later. Now let's crack some eggs. Here I am taking 6 eggs. You can take as much as you want. I like eating a lot of eggs, so if I do the math, there's 2 eggs for 1 person. Add some salt and black pepper as per your preference. Then beat the eggs until everything is well combined. Now our egg mixture is ready. The next thing we need is our vegetables. Here I have taken some carrots, leeks and cabbages. Everything is cut into small pieces. Take a non-stick pan and heat some coconut oil in it. When the oil is heated, first thing I am adding is leeks. You can use green onions also for this. Saute this for 1 or 2 minutes until all the aromas releases. Now I am adding carrots and cabbages. These don't need to be cooked for much longer time because these things can be eaten fresh. Let's mix everything and saute it for few more minutes. Next we have to add our eggs. So push the vegetables to the side of the pan and make a small space in the middle. Add the prepared egg mixture into the middle. This is like making cement, right? We mix all the dry ingredients in the cement and create a space in the middle to add water. Just like that. Add the eggs in the middle and then scramble them with the vegetables. I am adding some chili flakes for the spiciness. You can omit this if you don't like to eat spice. Taste the mixture here and add anything you want like salt, black pepper or any spices. Now our mixture is ready. The next thing we need to do is add our paratha pieces. My pan is little bit small for the whole mixture and the paratha pieces. So I am preparing this for 2 parts. I am removing half of the mixture in here and adding half of the paratha pieces to this. I told you that this is not gonna be dry as a kottu roti. This will be more like a cheese kottu, creamy and saucy and delicious. So before adding paratha pieces, there's one more ingredient to be added. That is fresh milk. But if you are vegan, you can use coconut milk for this. When I buy fresh milk, I separate them into daily portions and keep them in the deep freezer. So that's why my fresh milk looks like a block of ice. You don't need to do this. You can add room temperature fresh milk. When the milk is heated, add the paratha pieces and mix everything together. I am adding little bit salt also in here. You can eat this like this also, but here comes the best part. I am adding that curry packet also. These curry packets are really delicious because they contain dhal and chicken gravy. Mix everything and cover this with a lid. Keep it like that for 1 or 2 minutes. Let paratha pieces to absorb all this gravy and deliciousness. Now our masala paratha is done. Here I am repeating that same steps for the other half of the mixture also. Finally, you can mix both parts together. To serve, put this into a plate and add some of our mixed bite as a side dish. It adds spicy and crunchiness to this dish. I have done a video how to make this mixed bite. You can see it in my channel. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Until we meet again in another video. Bye.